back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you my struggle of a wash day. I mean, it's simple, but look how dry and crusty my hair is. Don't judge. Don't act like you ain't never been there before. Don't do it. We all know you gotta say a silent prayer before we get started. Lord, give us strength. Help us all, Jesus. All right, so yeah, I thought that I was gonna be cute for this video and use that comb, but no, baby, no. We're not doing that today. Just use your hands. It's quick, easy, and simple. We need to keep this as simple as possible because, you know, doggone well, by the end of the day, your arms, your hands, everything gonna be hurting dealing with all this hair. So yeah, what I do is I always section my hair in fours to wash it, because if not, it ain't getting done. Half of my hair will not be washed. I promise you, I probably wouldn't even get to the roots at that point. Been there, done that, regretted it. But you live and you learn. I promise you that. You live and you learn. And I'm using all my old ratchet homemade little hair ties because I gotta save money, because to buy these products for all this hair, unless somebody wants to come do my hair and give me free products. Look, I will feed you for the rest of your life. I will come to your house. I'll clean, probably not, but I will be very, very grateful to such an angel such as that. So if anybody wants to be that angel for me, please come. Let the Lord use you, please. Don't be disobedient. Don't do it. Oh my goodness. That's a full-time job. Like, hats off to hairstylists. Y'all deserve so much praise to go through so many heads in a day. Like, I couldn't do it. It's a lot just from my head. So thank you. We need to have a hairstylist appreciation day. Because Lord knows. Whew. Child, you be tired just after that. Look, tired just after that. I know, child. So I normally stick with my Aussie products. I don't really switch up because that's really what is cheap, first of all. And then it works pretty good. I have to use that 3-minute moisture though, because the other conditioner that they have just suds up in my hair and then don't get nothing done. Then I'd be so irritated and I still gotta go back and get this other little bottle. So that one works better for me anyway. Yeah, girl, it's freshly washed and it still looks just a tad bit dry. I promise you, I know it was not the best wash day I have done. But let me tell you, it looks better than it was looking before. Don't act like all your washes came out perfect. And yes, girl, getting a little length. I see you. Hey, girl, hey. No. It's a little definition. My definition really be popping when I'm honestly on it. But I'm not gonna lie, life has gotten me. And I haven't been as good as Lord, I'm out there tripping. Anyway, have not been as good to my hair as I needed. Like, you gotta treat your hair like you treat, I don't want to say your significant other, because I'm not gonna lie. People just really mistreat their significant others. Like, not me. I'm a sweet angel all the time. Don't ask him in person, but all the time I'm a sweet angel, okay? Take my word for it. But you really gotta give your hair some tender love and care. And I don't do it all the time. And I really notice. But yeah, what I'm doing is I'm going ahead and sectioning my hair off. I'm going to apply my products to it that I love. And normally I just do all this and then braid it up afterwards. And then the next day, once that dries, I end up styling it the way I want. But this is probably the easiest way for me to get stretch. And I'm not gonna lie, I sometimes go out in them braids too, honey. I ain't got nobody to impress. I look like Celia today. Anyways. But I mostly get most of my products from Whole Foods, and I don't really like switching up. I'm very loyal to default when it comes to my products, but I do want to try some new stuff. So I love jojoba oil. Oh my gosh, jojoba oil has been my ride or die oil. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but yes, that's some good stuff. Like, oh, so sorry. I'm over here yawning in the camera. Y'all don't judge me. Don't like y'all ain't got lies out there too. And then my shea butter. Child, I love this shea butter. Like I say, I probably could make it myself, but ain't nobody got time for that. Not really. Unless you do. Then send me some, please. Please send me some. So I like to massage that oil onto my scalp just a little bit. It feels so good. Sometimes y'all just need to take that oil and just massage on your scalp. You've been having a rough day. Just take a massage on your scalp. Oh, that's what I need right now. That's what I need. Yes, good. Don't it feel good? What the Lord bless you with fingers for. To massage your scalp. Make that clip so people know that. You gotta have a little fun when you're out here washing your hair. Go on, get it. Get it. Go on, go with your best self. There ain't even no music on, Lord. Don't judge us. Yes, and I know some of you probably like, we've seen 1,000 wash day routines. Why wash this one? Because you get to experience my sweet, loving personality. You can't get this nowhere else. So please, enjoy. Have fun with me. That's what I'm all about, having fun. Right? And go subscribe to your girl channel. Go thumbs up this video for a sister. I show you love back by being so sweet. Lord have mercy on me. Losing things and everything, Jesus. Now I know how many of y'all done broke your brushes. Bristles is flying out everywhere, Jesus. Like, if I show you, I think I threw it away, but my old Denman brush has been torn to pieces. Like, the little rubber part on the brush is like ripped in half. It was a struggle. Like, the bristles kept falling out. I was like, I can't. My hair done tore that brush up, and I ain't have it that long. I don't think I did. We're gonna say I did, so y'all don't think my hair is that bad. So I had it a while. If anybody asks, I had it a while. Okay. Yeah, ain't nothing cute, ain't nothing pretty, just braiding that heifer up. I'm telling you, us women got some strong arms after doing our hair. And this day probably would have been a little bit easier if I would have pre-pooed and detangled it a little bit ahead of time, finger detangle it, but I did not. And please, if you guys have the time, pre-poo your hair. It helps so much in the long run, because then your hair is not being stripped of all its natural oils. If it's already dry and then you putting like a sulfate shampoo on it, then that's really not good. So honestly, look into pre-pooing. If you don't know what pre-pooing is, look into it, because it is really a lifesaver. And honestly, sometimes I like to pre-poo with coconut oil and let it sit overnight. I know some people are like not a fan of coconut oil, but coconut oil and my hair are like BFFs. Like, they tight. And that's been my ride or die since I first went natural, and I will not change up for nobody. Whew, child, after getting that one done, you feel so accomplished, but then you look at the rest of your hair and like, oh, I still got more to go. Okay, so I ended up finishing up most of my hair. I thought I'll show you guys again one last time my little steps of doing my braids. And no, I don't worry about the roots that much when I do my braiding, because I actually want my roots poofy like that. I know some people put gel and some people do all that fancy stuff, but I really don't like doing that, because I used to do that when I first started, and I feel like it's a lot of work, and then I don't like the way gel my hair reacts to it. So I just don't worry about my roots. I just like my roots the way they are. But yeah, just going ahead again and massaging a little bit of that jojoba on my scalp. Show my scalp some sweet love. You don't want to put no harsh products on your scalp, because your scalp does need to breathe. So I just put a little bit of oil, whatever oil I'm using. Sometimes I do randomly, like if I'm out of jojoba oil, sometimes I may use olive oil, but I say that may use, I don't remember the last time I used olive oil, and normally I'd rather olive oil my pre-poo. But yeah, so just going ahead and with that shea butter. I do not put shea butter on my scalp, but I like the way it kind of weighs down my hair. Some people might not like their hair weighed down that much, but it seals in so much more moisture in my hair, so I need these thick products to have successful moisturized hair. I'm sorry, Jesus, I blanked out for a minute. Lord help me. I need to go eat. Anyways, so yeah. So I'm just brushing that in, doing a little more detangling. Nothing too harsh. It might look like I'm attacking my hair, but I promise you I'm not. I'm so sweet. And yes, them little braids is out there sticking in the back, but like I said, I don't do nothing that perfect, that pretty. Like, no. And I'm pretty sure it was late. I was late when I was doing my hair, so ain't nobody got time for that. And I did decide to kind of braid it back like that because, like I say, I'll wear these braids out. Next day, all I did was wrap it up in a little rubber band. Honey, child. And that's how I went out and about. And it's crazy. It's like the worse I look, I still get compliments. I'm like, child, I look like I just got freed. And you over here saying I'm cute. Okay. You know, I mean, and it's crazy because sometimes you might view yourself as ratchet looking, or you view yourself as horrible, but that's just how you view yourself. That's not how everybody views you. So let's change our views on ourselves, okay? We are all beautiful. God made us individually beautiful. If ain't nobody else tell you, I'm telling you, you are gorgeous. Love yourself. Okay? And love my braids. Don't hate on them, love them. We need to stop sharing that hate. We need to share some love with each other. Okay? Because my arms is hurting at this point, and I don't want to hear nobody tell me that they look ratchet, because I know they're not perfect. Okay? Encourage me, please. Thank you. Have anybody like ever just like gone off mad at somebody after you just finished your hair and it took you so long, and then you don't get the compliment that you was waiting for? You just like, oh really? Like I spent all this time and you just saying it's okay? Oh my gosh. Just, and my mother is the sweetest thing ever. No matter how my hair looks, she genuinely loves it. And no, she does not have mom goggles on. If you guys say that, no, because I'm just that good at doing my hair, okay? My mom's my biggest fan, and I love her so much. I love you, mama. And she's going to be watching this video smiling from ear to ear. So yeah, I mean, and that is it. Finally done, child. Do a victory dance. And I go to bed like that, just so excited. But yeah, until my next one, y'all have a blessed day, and let's love each other.